Welcome back to another video by Mr. Projects. After the last video, we've seen the clutch was slipping a lot. So I went ahead and I purchased myself an extreme heavy duty clutch. We're about to install it into the car very shortly, but I'll give you a quick rundown on the new clutch. Inside the new box is a basic guideline. Thing that I did find really funny is do not abuse a new clutch bedded in prior to 1,000 kilometers. For some reason, I don't think that's going to happen in my car. So in the box we have all our new accessories, throw-up bearing, clutch aligning tool and a bush. Here we have our clutch disc, which is hopefully going to be able to handle the power. Pressure plate, which has this sticker on here, which we're going to have to try and get off and clean this up. And it's an extreme heavy duty, so hopefully this is going to do the job. I paid $300 for this, so let's just hope that it's all going to work. So prior to this video, I did take everything back out of the car, so we're about to go under there and I'll show you. As you can see, we have removed the gearbox. I didn't really need to film that because you've already seen me do that. Up there, if you look, I've actually already hit that with the whizzer. That was all sorts of messed up. And we tried to just remove the burn marks, and there's the old clutch. We're about to grab the new one and we're going to install that. But before we do that, I'm going to show you a quick video of what it looked like when I actually pulled the clutch out. Definitely slipping. Got a few burn marks on the flywheel. Fucking rotten pussy. Yeah. It's all back in, it's all mounted up. So now, just got to get the tail shaft back in, put it back on the ground, and take it for a test drive. We are actually going to weld the disc. So we're going to take the hat off and blast it. After pulling the diff apart, I've decided we're not going to weld it because if I break it, I'm going to be waiting around. There is a new diff on the way, but for now we're not going to weld this one. It was low on oil, so we're just going to clean it up and put some new oil in it. Because if I do break it, then I'll be waiting around for like a month or two for this new diff to arrive. So I think we'll play it safe and we'll just put some new oil in it and put it back on the ground and take it for a drive. Just went for a lap in the car, forgot to take the camera, unfortunately. I'm covered in schmutz, so I've actually got to go and have a shower right now. And tomorrow morning, I am going to grab the camera and we're going to take it for a lap in the car. It's not slipping, it's holding power, and I'm actually so stoked with this clutch for $300, can't complain. We're about to jump in the car and go for a drive, see if the clutch works. All right, this is the test. Let's see if the clutch can hold the power. Hey, that's only fucking... That's third gear, bro. The clutch is working great, so next thing I'm going to do on the list is I'm going to come into the engine bay and I'm going to tidy up a few things. I've still got to hook up the reverse lights. I haven't done that as of yet because I'm still testing everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of all of these blue hoses. I went out and bought new vacuum lines. I'm going to put new vacuum lines in, tuck up all the wiring, hide it away, tidy up the loom. Let's get into it. I didn't film all the wiring in this because I thought that would be super boring. It was literally hours and hours and hours of tidying stuff up. So I thought, I am not going to film that because I hate wiring, and I'm pretty sure it would be the most boring time lapse you've ever seen. So that is why I didn't film that. It's now night time. I spent majority of the day tidying up all the wiring. There was all this wiring down here, which is no longer here. It's all tucked up nicely underneath the plenum there, which is exactly what I was going for. I went down and I got some new black vacuum line. There was all this blue vacuum line running along here, and I've changed it all to black so it all blends in. I wrapped this little loom up here. I do have some clips, so I'm just gonna have to clip it up there and tuck all that out of the way. And I've achieved what I wanted. If you look, it looks a lot more cleaner. There's no more wires and stuff hanging out everywhere. It actually looks a lot tidier instead of having all of this stuff over here, which is exactly what I wanted.
Hey!
He likes cock. All right, so we pulled the exhaust off. It's going to get some high heat temperature ceramic paint, and we're going to give that a quick coat. While that's drying, I'm just going to go and grab my car and bring it back inside. Pretty good. We'll tighten that up. Looking pretty good. Tighten this last bolt up. Good. Lovely. Look at that. Freshly painted. Exactly what we wanted. Do you reckon you know what's going on, Jimmy?
Man, I'm all over.
He's all over it like a rash. You can't get rid of that shit.
Go do your sick wiring job.
Well, the exhaust is all back on. It's all painted. I've just got to put the last V-band clamp back up on the back of the dump, and it's all done. Since the last video on this car, I actually painted everything. I haven't showed you what it looks like. So everything's gone all gloss. It's actually come up very nice. Looking fantastic. I'm pretty much going to wrap the video up here, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in once again. Give the video a thumbs up and a like. The next video that comes out will most likely be back on this car when I get the intercooler piping and all that sort of stuff figured out. And until then, subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up and a comment. Thanks for watching.
More lift.
A little bit of a situation.
More lift, bro.
More lift. Where are you?
For the challenge.
She's a bit... Oh, she's fucking hung up, mate.
Yeah, she's hard up on the scrub there.
I reckon we just fucking rip her out, and just send it again. Do you have anything on the front to pull it out?
Toby's trying to move.
So you want me to come in?
Yeah,
I'll have to reverse him.
Like here. You can go forward.